Hi, my name's Ray. I'm the owner of Water Heaters Now. And what I'd like to do is show you as a homeowner how to safely light your pilot light of the Bradford white water heater if for any reason you had an interruption in gas service or somebody came and just turned it off on accident, a kid maybe adjusted it, and you need to relight your pilot light. I'm just going to go through the process with you. So we're going to remove the access panel. There's a sight glass here for us to know exactly when it's lit. So we're going to take the control knob from off to pilot. It's the only place that this knob will push in. Anywhere else on the dial and it won't depress, but at the pilot position it'll push in. That's releasing gas to the pilot. Click that 2 or 3 times. And you could actually put your face here to look in the sight glass to make sure that the pilot's running. And I can see a nice blue flame in there, so the pilot's ready to go. Within 20 seconds, you'll hear an audible click, and then a green light will start flashing at this LED. So that would tell us it's ready to go. And then we can move it back into the hot position, which is about 120 degrees. And it fired. If you want your water a little warmer than 120 degrees, every notch from hot to A, from A to B, and B to C, every notch is 10 degrees. Most people are happy at 120. A is 130, B is 140, and C is 150. Now anything over 140 is pretty dangerous for kids, for scalding, so you want to keep them safe, and probably 120 to 130 will be really comfortable for your showering. That's all there is to lighting a pilot, and we'll go ahead and put the cover back on, and the heater is back in service.